Buffalo farming is an important occupation. Starting buffalo farming business is just like starting cattle farming business. Diseases and other health problems are generally less in buffaloes. Selecting a suitable area is very important for starting buffalo farming business. An area with all required facilities will be good for successful buffalo farming business. Source of clean drinking water is mandatory. Just like domestic cattle, around or up to 40 square feet housing space will be enough for each buffalo. Success in buffalo farming business depend on selecting good quality breeds. There are two types of buffalo, namely swamp buffalo and river buffalo. Swamp buffaloes are good for other agricultural purposes, and river buffaloes are good for producing milk and meat. There are no breeds of swamp buffalo. Some well-known and popular river buffalo breeds are Murrah, Surti, Jafarabadi, Anatolian, Nili Ravi, Egyptian, Mediterranean, Pandharpuri, Nagpuri, Badawi, and Romanian buffalo. Mostly the buffaloes are used for producing dairy products. Buffalo milk is of very good quality, containing high amount of fat and protein. Huge demand for buffalo milk. Improved species of buffaloes give 25 to 30 liters of milk per day. Average body weight of buffalo is 300 to 1,200 kilograms depending on the species. Select and purchase buffalo breeds depending on the availability in your area. Adequate green fodders are mandatory for raising buffaloes. And green fodders are widely used for intensive milk production and also for fattening purpose. Many farmers conserve many fodder crops as hay, chaffed, or pulped. The young male buffaloes generally mate first within their 3 to 3.5 years of age, although they are mated as early as 2 years in some country. Successful breeding behavior of male buffalo may continue until the animal is 12 years of old or even more. Generally, a good and healthy male can impregnate 100 females in a year. The age at first estrus of heifers varies between breeds from 13 to 33 months, depending on the breed. But mating at the first estrus is often infertile and generally deferred until they are 3 years of old. Gestation of the buffaloes generally lasts from 281 to 334 days. Average lifespan of the buffaloes can reach up to 40 years. Buffalo are well adapted to a hot and humid climate, with temperatures ranging from 0 to 30 degrees Celsius in winter and greater in the summer. And during the hot climates, water availability is very important. In that case, an artificial reservoir should be constructed next to the farm. River buffaloes generally prefer deep water. Some breeds are also well adapted to saline seaside shores and saline sandy terrain. Before starting the business, ensure availability of good market in your area.